Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to show you guys what I was sent. So thank you April and Red-Iguana team for sending these little goodies for me. Got a little thank you note. I don't know what's in here yet, but check it out. Ooh, we got a little cajita. So there's two little boxes. Probably we should start with the small things. So she sent me a little keychain with an R. So pretty. Let's see. I'm going to start with this one. I feel like it's Christmas, honey. Alrighty, let's see. Ooh, this is pretty. A ver. This is so cute. Oh, shit. I just realized I have slime on all over my fingers. I was just recording a video of the slime order that I got in the mail today. And I didn't notice it's on my finger. So come on. So I guess this is a finger. It does not want to come out. Ooh. So I do have to wash the little finger, but check it out. I think these are her new upgraded fingers. They do come with a magnet. Well, I don't know if they all do, but the thumb does come with a magnet. Wow. And then they come with a ring, so you could just put it on. Dress it up. So I think this is a thumb. Yeah, it kind of looks like a thumb. Alright, let's put it to the side. And normally when fingers or hands are new, they are like, they're not sticky, but you have to wash them because everything gets stuck to them. So just keep that in mind. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, is this another finger? This one feels skinnier. These little bags are so cute, by the way. They remind me of like baby shower or something. Ooh, I got a index finger, I think, or a ring finger, or a middle. A middle finger. I just ate pozole, so I think I'm having like acid reflux. So check it out. They have more little wrinkles now. They became a little more realistic. Oh, and then they're two different colors. So I'm not sure what these colors would be. I'll have to check the invoice or the little paper they sent me. Hold on, let me grab that so I could tell you guys which colors what. Okay, so good thing I thought about checking the names because I know people do normally ask. And I tend to forget. So the thumb shade is Lisa. And this one is called Nicole. So this one's more caramel. Like, yummy. I love caramel. Alrighty. So apparently this one is a 2-in-1 stand. I don't think I've ever had a stand from them before. So let's check it out. Oh, wait. Does that one have a magnet too? Yeah, this one has a magnet too. So I think they all probably go with the stand. So oh, it's like a big magnet. So let me pop it in real quick. Alright, so this was fairly easy to put together. And then it has like the little suction cup at the bottom. I'm not going to peel that off yet because I have a... Ooh, honey, they just stick. I wonder how many fingers I could have. Alright, so the magnet is pretty strong. It's like, who needs to hold a finger now? I wonder if I could file on there. It's pretty on my grill. Alright, so let's check this out. They did give me a discount code, by the way. Ooh, is this a Popsocket? A Red-Iguana Popsocket. Okay, girl, I see you. So just in case you guys want to buy a hand, a finger, the stand, they gave me a discount code, which is just Zulay, Z-U-L-A-Y, for 10% off. I really love these little bags. They're so cute. They just make the hand feel like extra, you know, like expensive. Ooh. I want to say this one is Nicole as well. She looks like this one is not posable. So for those of you guys who have been wanting to buy a hand, but you don't know what the difference is between a posable and non-posable, it just means that the posable, I think there's like a wire in them. So if you want it to like be like this, stay like that, then it will. But this one won't. But it's still nice and flexible. You can like hold it like this. Oh, I really like this hand. This one is a partial piece. Let's see. It doesn't say right here, but they smell good. I'm not sure if it's a freaking. I can't get over my pink fingers. What smells like fucking vanilla. All right, so this is Nicole. Say hi, Nicole. Let's see. Yeah, it does look like Nicole. So there's Nicole. Thank you, thank you. I was only expecting one hand, not a whole hand finger. And then they also sent me nail tips actually. So I'm not sure. Oh yeah, this one's for the thumb. For the middle finger. For the middle finger. I don't think I've ever tried these full well square ones. So let's see how that goes. I'm going to be doing a full set on one of these hands or fingers soon. And then we also got a little book. Let's see. I wonder if it's like a little diary or something. This is so cute. Oh, it's a little calendar. How cute. And then you could put your little notes on here. Like for somebody who's very forgetful like me, like I'll probably forget where the book is at, but this is so handy to put in your purse, bitch. If y'all be forgetting shit, you need to get a fucking book. Alrighty, so the last big item. Let's see. Oh, it's like a whole step on how to... Oh, what to do and what not to do. Ooh, that one looks kind of painful. So when you guys buy a hand, I guess it will show you what not to do. So I really like that every hand comes with a little ring. So cute. You could even put them on yourself if you want. And like a little bracelet. And I think this is a full hand. Wow, I feel spoiled. I feel spoiled. Alrighty. Thank you again. Let's see. I've been buying her hands for a few years already. I think I bought like 3 hands. 3 or 4. Since my first one. I'm an addict. Wow. I'm an addict. This shit looks fucking real. So this one is a hand painted hand. I think this was actually the one that I chose. And girl, shit, this one looks real, but I don't know if it's the painted one. Like the paint, I don't even know what part is painted. I don't know if it's the knuckles, the whole hand, or what. But I feel like that just makes the hands a little extra realistic. Wow. Like literally, if you would look, you would think this is somebody's hand. It even has a little vein and everything. So let me give you guys a little close-up. So this one is posable. And like I mentioned earlier, you can pose. Oh my gosh. It's like scary. I should be used to this already because I have a lot of hands. But I can't. So let me see if I could find the previous version, because this is the Red-Iguana 3.0 hand. I'm not sure if this one is a 3.0 or not, or just because this one's painted. I'm not sure. I should have asked, or let me check the paper actually. So this is the hand, one of the hands that I have. I feel like, nah, I felt like it was heavier, but it's not. So please don't look at it. She's a little ashy because she's been sitting on my desk for a while. So let's compare. Ooh, yes. Definitely, I could see the upgrade. I could almost see some little hair, but not quite on this new one. I forgot what this one's name would be, but wow. She looked like she been a little dead compared to this one. Looks like she real flesh. This one as well is a 3.0. So check it out. Check out the difference. Like you can totally see the little detail different. That one looks more like a human. That one looks realistic as well. The first time I got these, I was like, dude, that shit is scary real. These are way more detailed with the little fine lines and everything. Hold on, this one is a non-posable. That's why it's a little like heavier, I feel. Because even this one doesn't feel as heavy as that one. It's a whole hand. I don't know, but I like. Let's see. Which hand should I use? But can you guys see the difference though? I'm not sure if they use somebody else's hand, but it looks fucking real, yo. Like, ma'am, scratch my back. So yeah, if you guys want to, oh, it comes with magnet too, this one. The big one does not come with a magnet, so maybe it's too heavy, but let's check it out. So if you guys would like to purchase one of the new hands, make sure to use my code to save some coin. Let's see, does it go this way? So who needs to hold the hand now? I mean, oh, there you go. I think you have to put it like right in the middle for it to hold really good. It's a strong hold. Hold on, let me find it. So I do recommend these. I don't know how much they run for, so let me check the website real quick. So I went on the website and I tried to see what the price was for these hands. They don't show the price for the 3.0 hands, but the old version for this style is $75. And for the full hand is $150. So I don't know if the new version is going to be more expensive or not. But again, you guys can use my discount code ZULAY, Z-U-L-A-Y. So I'm going to leave it right here for 10% off. And that's the end of the video. I hope you guys like what you see, because I'm about to do some nails. I'd be a little aggressive filing, so I'll probably save this one to just take pictures. She's so pretty. Her name again is Lisa. And I do apologize if my voice sounds a little funny. I have a little sore throat. I was yelling at Disneyland a lot, so still a little tired. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you guys have not already subscribed, leave me a thumbs up and a comment on what you think about these new hands. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye.